Everyone tells you to sleep more when you feel tired. But did you know that sleeping too much can actually damage your brain? If you sleep more than 9 hours a night and still wake up tired, your body is sending a warning. Today, I'm going to reveal why oversleeping confuses your brain and what you can do to fix it naturally. Let's be honest, most of us have tried to fight fatigue by sleeping longer. You think more sleep equals more energy, but your brain doesn't work that way. Oversleeping can disrupt your circadian rhythm, which controls your hormones, mood, and memory. Sound familiar? Maybe you're someone who sleeps 9–10 hours and still feels groggy, foggy, or anxious in the morning. When your circadian rhythm is out of balance, it affects your brain's chemistry. You may experience mental fog and poor focus, anxiety or depression, weight gain and fatigue, poor memory and slower cognitive function. Even if you sleep a lot, it doesn't mean your body is resting properly. Oversleeping can make you feel worse than sleeping too little. Imagine this. You keep oversleeping for months, thinking it will help your energy. But every day, your brain struggles to regulate hormones like cortisol and melatonin. You start feeling unmotivated, anxious, and your productivity drops. Long-term oversleeping is linked to increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even memory decline. The scary part? Most people have no idea this is happening to them. The good news is, you don't need to cut sleep drastically. You need deep, restorative sleep, not just longer sleep. Here's what you can do. Wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency is key. Expose yourself to sunlight in the morning. It resets your circadian rhythm. Limit naps to 20 minutes. Long naps confuse your brain. Create a wind-down routine. Dim lights, no screens 1 hour before bed, and try relaxation breathing. By doing this, you teach your brain to rest properly, improving energy, focus, and mood naturally. Tomorrow, I'll reveal the foods that silently destroy your sleep, even if you think they were healthy. Make sure to subscribe to Dr. Sleep and hit the notification bell so you never miss these life-changing tips. Your brain and body will thank you for it.